Data transformations in PostgreSQL can be tricky, but we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned database administrator or just starting out, understanding how to safely change column data types is essential. Changing column data types in PostgreSQL can be a bit of a puzzle, but it doesn't have to be a headache. With the right approach and a few best practices, you can make these changes smoothly and efficiently. First things first, always back up your database before making any changes. This step is crucial to ensure that you have a fallback option in case anything goes wrong. Trust me, you don't want to lose any data. A backup can save you from potential data loss and hours of recovery work. All right, let's dive in. If you need to change an integer column to a big int or numeric, it's pretty straightforward. These types of conversions are generally safe and can be done with minimal risk. Just use the alter table and alter column commands. These commands allow you to modify the structure of your table without losing any data. Easy peasy, right? But remember, even simple changes should be tested in a development environment before applying them to production. But what if you're dealing with more complex conversions, like changing a text column to an integer? That's where things get tricky. Complex conversions require careful planning and validation to avoid data corruption. If your text column has non-numeric values, converting it directly to an integer will throw errors. These errors can disrupt your database operations and lead to data inconsistencies. So, always check your data first. Use queries to identify any non-numeric values and clean your data before attempting the conversion. For those really complex transformations like changing a varchar column to a date, you'll want to take a multi-step approach. This method ensures that your data remains intact and accurate throughout the process. Start by adding a new column with the desired data type. This new column will temporarily hold the converted data. Populate it with data from the existing column using built-in PostgreSQL functions to parse and convert the data. Validate that data. Ensure that the conversion has been successful and that the data in the new column is correct. Finally, drop the original column and rename the new one. This step finalizes the conversion and updates your table structure. Oh, and don't forget to rebuild your indexes to keep things running smoothly. Indexes can become fragmented during data type changes, so rebuilding them ensures optimal performance. Remember, handling indexes carefully and taking backups are crucial steps. These practices help maintain the integrity and performance of your database. So the next time you need to perform a data type conversion in PostgreSQL, you'll be ready to tackle it like a pro. With these tips and best practices, you can handle any data transformation with confidence. That's it for today. Happy coding and see you next time. Keep exploring and mastering PostgreSQL.